Desserts are something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful and refreshing dessert. Today we're going to do orange Phirni. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the orange Phirni, I've taken half cup of basmati rice. Wash the basmati rice a few times, pour enough water and soak for 1 hour. The rice is soaked for 1 hour. Discard all the water, make sure the rice is nice and dry. Transfer the soaked rice to the food processor. I'm going to grind the rice on high speed. After grinding, you can see it's come to a nice coarse powdered mixture. Now the granules are very small, so make sure you grind it to a nice consistency where the granules are nice and small. For this recipe, I've taken 2 oranges to squeeze the juice. Cut the oranges into half. Place it on the juicer. I've taken the juice, pour it into a cup and keep it aside. For the Phirni, take a nice wide saucepan. To this I'm going to add 1 liter of boiled milk. Once the milk heats up, add the powdered rice. Keep the flame on medium-low throughout the process. You don't want it to get burnt at the bottom. Mix it gently. Cook the rice till it's nice and soft and the milk has reduced. Make sure you keep stirring at intervals so it doesn't stick to the bottoms. The rice has cooked beautifully. You can see it has absorbed all the milk. It's become nice like a thick porridge. After the rice is completely cooked, it's time to add the sugar. To this, add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. It's very important that you add the sugar only after the rice is completely cooked. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add the powdered cardamom. Mix it well. Add a few strands of saffron. Now you can either add the saffron milk or you could just add it directly to the Phirni. Turn off the stove, keep the Phirni aside, cool it completely till it comes to room temperature. The Phirni has cooled down completely. Now I'm going to grate a little orange rind. Add 1/4 cup of orange juice and now gently mix everything together. It is very important that you add the orange juice only after the Phirni is cooled down completely, because any form of acid can curdle the milk. Now add the sliced pistachios and the sliced almonds. The orange Phirni is done. Serve it nice and chilled. So there you go, here is a delicious and creamy orange Phirni. Instead of the usual Phirni that we make, it's always nice to try something different. And the best way to serve this dessert is nice and cold. So do try this orange Phirni and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.